Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Northeast Junior College. In my previous video, we have discussed about issues of shares and we have seen the various journal entries regarding issues of shares. Now, issues of shares may be in two forms: for cash, for considerations other than cash. For cash means issues of shares for cash can be in two forms: in at a time or in installment. That is, cash is collected by the shareholders in at a time, that is in lump sum, or in installment. Today we are going to solve a sum regarding issues of shares for cash in lump sum. That is, the amount is collected from the shareholders at a time on application. Let's see the sum. This is our question. X Limited proposed for application to public on 1st January 2020 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at par. The whole of the amount was payable on application. The public applied for all the shares by 30th January 2020 and the shares were allotted on 15th February 2020. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of the company. So, first of all students, you are required to read the question once, twice and make it clear. Then marks the important point which is required to solve the sum. So, X Limited proposed for application to public on 1st January 2020. The name of the company is X Limited. So, this company has applied to the public for subscribing its shares on 1st January 2020. This is the date. In this date, the company has invited public to subscribe for its shares. 10,000 equity shares. Now, 10,000 equity shares, 10,000 is the number of shares that the company offered the public to subscribe. And equity shares, this is the equity shares, this is the class of the shares that the company has invited public to subscribe. Of rupees 10 each, the rate of the shares is rupees 10 at par. Now, what is at par means? At par means shares are issued equal to the face value or the nominal value of the shares. That means shareholders are required to pay only the amount which is equal to the face value or the nominal value of the shares. Let's take an example. Let's the face value of the shares is rupees 100 and the company has taken rupees 100 from the shareholders for its shares. That is, this rupees 100 is equal to the this one, that is face value is equal to the issue value. This is a case of issues of shares at par. The whole of the amount was payable on application. This means the whole of the amount here is rupees 10 is payable at a time on application. The public applied for all the shares by 30th January 2020 and the public has applied for all the shares, that is 10,000 equity shares on 30th January. This is the date. In this date, the public has applied for the shares and the shares were allotted on 15th February 2020. In this date, the company has made allotment to the public, that is 15th February 2020. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of the company. So, you are required to pass the necessary journal entries in the books of the company, that is X Limited. Note two things. The date. First of all, this date 30 January 2020 in which the public has applied for the shares and 15th February, the date in which the company has allotted the shares. That is 30th January 2020. It is the applied date, and 15th February 2020, this is the allotted date. Now the numbers of shares is 10,000 and rate is ₹10. Note these two things, date and the number of shares and its rate. This is the format of journal. So student, you have learned the format of journal and you have done journal in class 11. So first of all, we should write in the books of, so what is the name of our company? X Limited. Then below this write journal entries. Okay. So the format of journal entries is like this. Date, this is the date column. Here you require to write the date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. Now first we have received the amount. Write first of all date. So what is the date of 30th January in our question? 2020. This is the date. In this date the public has subscribed for the shares. So when we receive the amount, bank is debited. Bank account debit. Now what is the numbers of shares? The numbers of shares in our question is 10,000 and the rate is 10 per share. Now 10,000 multiplied by 10, 1 lakh. Okay. Now credit will be 2. So what is the class of our shares in our question? Equity shares. 2 equity share application account. So the amount in credit side will be 1 lakh. Bank account debit to equity share application account. Amount is received in bank through bank, that is bank is debited, and the amount is received against application money, so to equity share application account. Now write narration. So you know well what is narration? Narration is the brief description of your entry. So we will start narration with being share application money received on, what is the numbers of shares? 10,000. 10,000 shares of ₹10 each at ₹10 per share. Okay. So this is our first journal entry. Now our next entry will be we are required to give two journal entry. First entry for receiving cash and second entry for transferring the amount to the share capital account. Now the next date will be 15th February 2020. This is the date. In this date, the company has made allotment to the public. Now, this share application money which you have credited will be transferred to the share capital account. So, equity share application account debit. Now, what will be the amount? 1 lakh to equity share capital account. Amount will also be 1 lakh. See this journal entry. In this entry, we have transferred the application money to equity share in equity share capital account. So that application from debit from previous journal we have cut the application which is credited, and here we have debited. So this two will be cancelled, and remaining the remaining will be the bank account debit to equity share capital account. That is, the amount is transferred to the share capital account. Then write narration. Being the transfer of share to the share capital account as per board's resolution number. Here you write the number if it is written in the question, and if not, then put some dot. As per board's resolution number, then write the date if it is mentioned in the question. If not, then no need to write. So this is the second journal entries. So student, this is a simple question, and in this question we have seen two journal entries.